Hey you guys, Eddie at Fliptronics. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on Control Center on the new iOS 7. So basically what Control Center allows you to do is toggle through different tasks that you would normally have to do one by one, either in the settings or somewhere else. So to get to Control Center, you just swipe up on the bottom of either your iPhone or your iPad, and once you swipe up, you're going to get some different options here. The first one is airplane mode. You can turn that on or off. The second one right here is Wi-Fi. You can have that on or off. Then there's a Bluetooth option you can have on or off. And then one that I really like is the Do Not Disturb button. I'm usually using that, so you can turn that on and off. Then they have a lock screen option right here you can use. Another cool thing is you can control the brightness right here, which is pretty neat. And then if you're listening to music, you control it all right here to the left. So those are some of the basic functions it has in here. Another one is the clock. You can set the time or set an alarm or do anything all from right there. Let me swipe back up. And then last but not least is the camera option. You can turn your camera on all right there, which is cool. So that's basically all of the things you can do. You can use a flashlight option also, but I don't think they have it on the iPad. You can only do it on the iPhone. If I'm mistaken, feel free to comment below. But anyways, guys, that's basically Control Center. Very cool, very useful. Anyways, guys, feel free to comment below and be sure to subscribe to our channel.